we're not selling fast-moving consumer goods here. We're not selling Tupperware here. We're selling a product that maybe for a particular family, it's once in their lifetime lang na makakabili sila. So, ganun kabigat yung binibili natin at ganun ko din tinitignan yon kapag nagbebenta ako ng product. Hindi ko tinitignan to na parang, sige, bili ka na. I make sure na yung binibenta ko talagang pasok, no? Kung ano yung pangarap ng kliyente, pasok ba to sa preferences niya. Kasi magiging property niya na to for his whole life. So sabi ko, sir, meron kaming isang project, bago lang. So baka magustuhan mo to, mas malaki yung lot cut. And then, sabi niya, sige Jairen, tignan natin. So nagkita lang kami at that time, tinignan lang yung lote, and then nag-reserve na yung client, right then and then. It was less than 30 minutes, no? Yung reservation, may dala na, ready na yung client, kahit hindi ko sabihin na magdala ka ng requirements ng cheque, ready na yung